Hey guys, back in my home state of Michigan, things are starting to get a little cool. The winters there get brutally cold, and my friends from holyredeemerburton.org Parishioners Coalition are trying to raise awareness so that you could possibly help some of the homeless people that live in the area. They take care of them during the winter, bringing them hot meals and trying to keep them as warm as possible. So if you have anything laying around, old sweatshirts, hoodies, winter boots, socks, jackets, blue jeans, anything you have that you're not using, it doesn't have to be fancy. If you're interested in donating or shipping from anywhere in the United States to them, I can get you in touch with the people and get all their information, so you can certainly do that if you wish. It's very much appreciated, and I hope you can help. Thank you. What's up, guys? We're at the market. That is a truckload of dragon fruit right there. We've got a little traffic jam in the aisleway. People are waiting all the way back there. Well, that's what happens when you're at a market with narrow aisles. Lots of traffic, and then one big truck had to stop and make a delivery. Everything gets backed up. I want to say I posted a picture on Facebook of that, or a little video, which you saw earlier, about me eating the crickets, and it had a lot of mixed response on Facebook. And listen, I know I'm not going to convince everybody that they're delicious, even though I think they are. Some people are never going to be able to get over how they look before they just put it in their mouth, you know? Because that's half the trick. If you just look at it, you know, your mind says, you know, that's a bug. What are you doing? But really, man, they're crunchy. They're not squishy at all. They basically just taste like what they're cooking. Really, you don't get any funky taste or anything like that. Very high in protein, very good for you, very healthy. And they make a great snack. And there's ants even. Yeah. Ants. Those are little ants that they chop up and make into a little powder-like substance. I haven't tried that yet. I think she might be buying some though. My next new experience. But anyway, like I said, I'm not trying to convince anybody you should eat crickets. Like I said, it's not going to be for everybody. Some people just can't get past what it is. But I'm just saying, when they're cooked in oil and a little bit spicy from the chili peppers they're cooked in, they put seasonings in there, that's about what you taste. So it's not funky, it's not bad. And they fill you up, and it's, like I said, healthy, full of protein, and inexpensive. So what more could you want, really? But I thought that was pretty funny. There are some people who are just not going to believe that no matter what. And like I said, I'm not trying to convince anybody. I'm just saying my experiences. I like to grab a cup when we're at the markets. That's all. Got the chicken going on there. I guess they did have some celebrations for Khmer New Year. There wasn't really a schedule or any readable schedule of events, so it was hard to determine where to go or, you know, what time to be there. So we'll just consider this one an off year, and hopefully next year it'll be back on full force the way it used to be, and we'll have some fun then. But they did have some pretty good food specials during the week. That was awesome. Of course, you know my buddy Joe. He's the Whopper dude. He loves Whoppers. They had buy one, get one free at Burger King for the week. Domino's Pizza had buy one, get one free if you're into Western food. And a lot of places locally offered discounts for Khmer New Year to anybody who ate there. So 75-cent bowl of noodles. Always good. We're only $200 away from our goal for the month. Ooh, we got a few here. Like I said, there will be a matching donation of some sort, and you get it in now, and your money will go further than it does normally. So we can do it. We still got a week. That's very doable. And of course, it's always appreciated, not only from myself, but from the kids we teach and the people that we get to feed. On at least, we try on a daily basis to get out and buy somebody some kind of food sometimes, in addition to going to the village. But it's been difficult. We've had a lot of rain, of course, so it's hard to tell when to go out. But still, days like this, it already rained, so we'll be getting some food and going out later. And all that's possible because of your donations, so it's always appreciated. Links are down below: PayPal, join my Patreon, buymeacoffee.com/DDC. And of course, remember, when you do that, I will send you exclusive videos, first look videos, and a free book as a way of saying thank you. Nice wide selection of vegetables and things. I do love the vegetables here. Very fresh every day. Very yummy. She's going to sit there and talk for a long time, so I'm going to go. Over here and look at the fish. Nice fresh fish. Got some crab. Kadam crab. Some shrimpies, some prawns. Nice looking prawns, really big. And yeah, man, this whole pandemic and virus thing really affected, you know, I don't think there's anybody it hasn't affected in one way or the other. But I want to remind everybody, and you know, there's national implications for that. You know, countries suffering financially, businesses suffering financially. But there's a group of people, like one of my subscribers, who can't go back to Vietnam right now, where his wife and children live. So he's been away from them for most of this time, and he can't go back. And so try to be nice to some people once in a while. Remember, it's, you know, we all have it bad in one way or the other, but there's always somebody that has it worse. Because that must be horrible, you know. You have a wife, you have kids, and then you're unable to see them. You can't, you know, you can't hug your wife and child. Maybe able to talk over the internet, and of course he can send them money, but it's certainly not the same as being there. So, you know, be nice to one another. Those things look tasty. I don't know what they are. Because there are always people that have it worse. And if you keep that in mind, you'll learn to appreciate the things you do have. And that'll generally make you a happier person. And I think the world needs that. Not being preachy, that's just my personal opinion. Got some more treats here. Okay, it's up to you. You have the money. It's up to you. Okay. He's always asking me. I'm like, you have the money. I don't know what's going on. Get the side away from the heat a little bit. And we got more bean sprouts, noodles, all kinds of noodles. Of course, that's my favorite section. Those are my favorite ones right there. Right there. I love the wide rice noodles. They take out flavors really good. They provide a good bite in a soup or with a meal. And my camera is saying it's overheating, so I'm going to end this portion here. And I'll talk to you guys later. And if you want to donate to help support free education and giving out free food to people here in Cambodia, you can go to the link you see on the screen. And if you don't want to go to PayPal, or you can check the description down below, there are also links to my Patreon and buymeacoffee.com/DDC, which you don't even have to sign up for, so you can do it anonymously if you wish. Every donation is truly appreciated, and you will receive exclusive videos, first look videos, and more when you donate. I'll also send you a copy of my book as a way of saying thank you. I want to thank all my supporters. Because of you, we made a lot of great things happen and are continuing to do so. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.